Reveille, reveille. All hands heave out. Reveille.
Good morning, guys. It's Saturday morning. It's gonna be a beautiful day. And today I'm going to Churchtown Dairy in Hudson, New York. I'm taking a family. And right now I'm headed over to the coop so I can let the chickens loose, give them a little snack, change their water, add more feed to their feeder, and check for eggs. Last night I came home too late. I was too tired and I didn't even bother checking for eggs, but there should be at least 2. Normally, obviously, you all know they don't lay eggs at night, at least mine don't. They should have laid yesterday, sometime yesterday afternoon. So let me go in. And I'm also waiting for my coffee to finish brewing. I'm half asleep, I'm sure some of you can tell. So yeah, first let's check for eggs. Only 2, yep, and those are probably from yesterday, so I'll get 2 more today. All wings on deck. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, they get a little frisky, especially the rooster. That heifer over there, he gets very frisky in the mornings. I tend to spread the snack a little bit around the ground. I don't want them too close when they're eating. They still have feed and water. They got plenty of water. And they got some feed, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up. Well, not fill it up, maybe bring it up to half and change the water. So the feed will last them for 2 days, and the water I like to change every day if I can. Right, Guapo? Jefe? Come on, sing for the camera. I'm waiting. Lila's always here by my feet, as always. All right, let's grab the 2 eggs. 2 from yesterday, there'll be more today. Okay, so the chickens are set for the rest of the day, and they were nice enough to make breakfast for me. So I'll come back sometime tonight and give them another snack and tuck them in. We are now here at the farm, and I wish my garden looked like this. Nice, huh? Okay, let's go see the baby cows and goats. We're gonna start a tour here in a few minutes, and we got 2 baby cows here. We got this one laying down.
That's including, well, accommodation. So they're winter quarters. So they all have names. You see how full she is.
Oh, yeah.
Ronia just gave birth.
Oh.
Just to explain, I don't know if you can see the tile above her stanchion. She had RJ actually. You see? These are some of our new.
God made a plan to cure any illness you had. You had to know what plan it was, and be the right person at the right time. You could cure anything. God was good.
Medicinal gardener believes in will.
If you wanted to die, go to a white doctor. You want to be cured.
This is nice.
It doesn't take them long to figure out who's more leaves, who's a soft spot.
Oh wait, I just gave you your food.
Here you go, Olivia.
Give it to the small room.
Right.
I just gave it. Oh, I think Alright, you, I don't think I have these. You need to put your YouTube in. Exactly. Wait.
Wow, you're so brave.
All right, I'm gonna feed the goat. There you go, Sammy.
Dude, you just licked my finger.
Yeah, watch your fingers, Jacob. Go ahead. She wants it, or he.
Your turn. Stop the game.
That one's the nicest one.
Which one?
Nice, gentle.
The brown one is so nice.
These ones are hungry. Okay, this one is specifically for Willow, who is right here.
Okay.
130.
Yep. And then these two. Who else? You guys want to do it?
Okay, Joanna's gonna bottle feed a cow.
Just give it to 130, Andre.
I know, I will.
Does it matter?
That one goes
Here,
139.
This one's here?
here.
Yeah.
Come on, Willow. Where's 130?
Right here.
Oh, Lord.
Do I have the wrong one?
No, you're good. You're
He
good.
knows what to do.
Here, come over, Natalie.
Here, I'm gonna. Go on. Can be a little chaotic. There we go.
Tell me, how did you get interested in doing this?
I suppose it was the calling about regenerative agriculture, bringing life.
Is it heavy? Oh, go ahead, hold it, Jacob. Hold it nice and tight. There we go, Jacob. Get some practice because we may get some baby cows in the future.
His eyes are like
His eyes are like what?
kind of side.
Really calm it down.
Get some
It is a
practice,
buckle.
Jacob. You may be doing this again in the future in my farm.
Oh, the buck is clock. The buck just like went and died.
Anybody else?
Dude, these guys are hungry.
No, everybody's good.
Oh, the goats are coming in too. Doesn't want the hay. You want some hay? Nope.
Like you can buck if you put your mouth.
So it's actually not a piercing, it just kind of sits in the nose, but that's to stop them from nursing on each other. Because you see, right after they eat, all they want to do is just like...
You gonna try it?
Alright guys, so I bought some raw milk. I liked it. It's my first time ever drinking raw milk. I am still at Churchtown Dairy here in Hudson, New York, and yeah, it's a nice little tour. Family enjoyed it, and we saw some baby cows, goats, big cows over here. So yeah, now we're going back to upstate, back home, but we may stop somewhere for dinner. So how did you like it? You like it? It was nice, huh? Get used to it. You're gonna be feeding some baby cows in the future.
Yeah.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.